Good afternoon. Good evening. I am telling multi-layer perceptron using perceptron. First, we will putting library. We have to data set. The data set is low digits. And this one choose independent variables x and dependent variables away from the data set. X is equals to digit dot data. Y is equals to digit dot target. Independent variables shape x dot shape. And dependent variables y dot shape. And dependent variable is y dot shape. In this x and y, it will be relation. It automatic x, y dependent and independent variable. Standard the input variables is a standard scalar. Standard scalar is the input data is x of scale is equal to scalar dot fit the transform to the convert of mean of x scale and standard deviation of x scale. Split the data into training and testing. Activation the function f of training set size explained dot shape of 0. Testing set size of samples. The question is convert the input to PyTorch tensors. PyTorch tensor conversion complete. Multiple iterations of the extract sensor and torch sensor. That XS is training error, and then Y is test tensor. There it will come automatically X trainer tensor and X Y train sensor shape. MLP model layers configuration with the activation function. MLP classifier na self dot network is equals to net dot sequential. Linear depth forward of self comma x. Model is equal to MLP classifier input size is equals to 64. Num classes is equals to 10. Train the model by updating the weights using the backpropagation gradient descent. In this one, criterion is equals to nn dot cross entry loss. Optimizer is equals to optim dot Adam model parameters. LR is equals to 0.01. Abacus error is equals to content. The criterion model X train sensor, Y train sensor, backward. They will use loss dot backward, optimizer dot step. இதுல 8th questionல no iteration versus training error. Errors dot update of loss of item, training error versus iteration. Like in this one scatter plot, like epochs training versus iterations. Test the model. Display the conversion matrix, analyze the model using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 course. Conversion matrix is confusion matrix is 10 by 10 matrices. The precision recall F1 score supports is macro average, weighted average accuracy, it will come like this.